Hello, my name's Jenny and I'm a Sage Intacct technician at Solutions for Accounting. Welcome to this short video series on the benefits of cloud accounting with Sage Intacct. First, let's discuss what the cloud is and how it compares to traditional on-premise software. On-premise software is stored on servers at the physical business location. Cloud software, however, is stored on cloud servers hosted by the software developers, in this case Sage. So, what are the benefits of a cloud system like Sage Intacct compared to traditional on-premise software? Let's start at the beginning. On-premise software needs to be installed on the servers at your business, and this will take some time to do. A full implementation may take several days depending on factors like the software and your existing IT infrastructure. In comparison, the installation of cloud software is very quick and easy. Since it all takes place server-side, there should be minimal disturbance and downtime to the day-to-day running of your business. Once your software is installed on-premise, your business is responsible for the maintenance, upkeep, and upgrades of the system, as well as the day-to-day costs of running it. However, with cloud services, all the server upkeep and maintenance is undertaken by the hosting company. With Sage Intacct, the quarterly updates are free of charge and always aimed at providing a better user experience. There's even an online forum where users can request new features for future updates. Sage Intacct is the ideal platform for growing businesses because it is designed to grow with you. The number of users, businesses, and locations can all grow, and Sage Intacct is designed to handle this growth seamlessly. Sage Intacct offers a scalable platform that can adapt to changing requirements, making it ideal for businesses at any stage of growth. Solutions for Accounting are a leading provider of Sage Intacct. We are an award-winning Sage partner, winning the SaaS Partner of the Year award and the Sage Customer Success Partner of the Year award recently. If you are interested in learning more about Sage Intacct, please do contact our experts today.